Blue Sea. There are two models for your options. One is Framing Profile Beam Spot Wash 3-in-1. The other is Beam Spot Wash 3-in-1 with CMY. Unique design. LCD touchscreen RDM. Pen 550 degree. Tilt 270 degree. 3-phase motor with fast movement and precise control. Folding clamps. 400-watt LED light source. Widely zoom 7 to 42 degree. Frost. Beam Spot Wash 3-in-1 with CMY. 3 independent CMY filter with perfect color mixing. Seven colors. Eight fixed gobo. 7 rotating glass gobo. 3-phase prism with bidirectional rotating. Linear zoom gobo. Framing profile spot beam wash 3-in-1. 8 directional framing shut motion. 7 rotating glass gobo. 3-phase prism with bidirectional rotating. 100 linear focus. 7 colors. Iris.